Wow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cut. So, guys, today I want to walk us through on how to cut taper fade. Can you see it? Thank God that this hair is uniform, so you will see very, very well. Can you see it? So, sorry. Please, if today is your first time seeing my channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Share, let other people learn from this. Make sure you are following me on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So today I want to walk us through, like I said, first thing you need to do is to sterilize your clipper, which I have done. Look at this hair, it's not going to go too up. We are going to give him a neat taper fade, but I'll first ask him. It's not like this. I'll be something like this. May it come up. May it come up. Okay, so we are going to give him mid taper fade. Do you understand? So watch very, very well. Watch very, very well so that you understand it. So the first thing you need to do is to create your first guideline, which is going to be skin. Now, since it's going to be on mid taper, it's not going to go up too much. Do you understand? You turn your clipper, join your blade together, put it on skin level. Can you see it? Make sure you join well, it's well joined together. You create the first guideline. Can you see it? You create the first guideline. After you have created the first guideline, you open your blade, you bring the gel down to create the second guideline. You take it small. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and invite others to come and be part of this family. Everything we do here is theory and practical. Can you see it? After you have created the second guideline, you close the blade a bit. Don't close it finish. I call it semi-low cut. You remove the line. The first guideline that you created and the second guideline, there is line there. So you remove it. After you have removed it finish, you use your step. Can you see that this hair is bushy, right? It's bushy. So we are going to use step. Let's use step 2. Let's use step 2 to get the shape first. Let's use step 2 to get the shape first. Watch it very well. Put your clipper on your clipper. You carry it up like this. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So that the up and the down, everything will align well. Do you understand? It will align very well. It's not sure as if you are wearing a cap. So after you have gotten this one, you remove it. You take your step 1.5. You take your step 1.5. Can you see it? You put it under low cut level. Bring the gel down. You put it. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Wait, let me do this thing well. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You flip it up. See where I'm doing it. Make sure you are texturing it very well so that you get the shape very well. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? After that, you can turn your clipper downward to blend it like this. Make sure you are getting the shape. Take it slow and steady. Can you see what I'm doing? After you have gotten the shape, you remove it. You take your step one, you insert your clipper, put it on under low cut level. You put it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Then you close the blade, you bring the gear up. Can you see it? After this, you turn your hand like this, you blend it. After this, you remove it, you turn your hand downward, you rake it down like this. Remember, it's still under what? Under low cut level. You blend it down like this. Can you see it? After that, you turn your hand downward like this. You take the excess hair. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see it? Then after that, carry your hand up. Please, if you are not understanding anything, please ask me question in the comment section. Make sure you share this video. Can you see it? Then after you have gotten what you want, you comb it out. Watch what I'm doing, guys. You comb it out. Comb it out. You put your blade on low cut level, bring the gel down to trim out the excess hair. Trim it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? It is very, very simple. It's simple, it's not hard. Trim the excess hair. Can you see it? This is how to cut taper fade. Some people call it side cut. Do you understand? So this is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Invite your friend, let them come and benefit from this channel. Don't be stingy. So this is it. Can you see it? All this one, then you take your time to do the final detailing of the work. Anywhere you see that is not well blended, you use the freehand fading to detail it. So it is very simple. It's not hard, but some person think that cutting side cut or taper fade is hard. It's not hard. Because I want to know the basics, know how to control your hand, you are good to go. So I will stop it here. Make sure you like, comment and share. I love you all. So this is it. Sorry for the Can you see it? This is the final cut. So we are going to stop it here. I don't want the video to be too long. I don't want to start carving the hair. I just want you to get the basis on how to cut taper fade, or you call it side cut. I love you. This is HUC. Make sure you share. One love.